Public speaking has always been important. From ancient Greece to modern boardrooms, the ability to articulate ideas clearly is a powerful skill. For centuries, orators relied on handwritten notes or memorized speeches. However, technology has transformed public speaking. The arrival of teleprompter apps marks a new era. These apps are changing how we share ideas and connect with audiences. They empower speakers with tools to deliver captivating presentations. Teleprompter apps are more than just tools, they are digital partners. They provide speakers with the confidence to focus on their message and delivery. In a world saturated with information, the ability to communicate effectively is more valuable than ever. Teleprompter apps are helping people find their voice and share their stories with the world. Teleprompter apps offer a range of features designed to elevate any presentation. Real-time editing allows for on-the-fly adjustments, ensuring the speech reflects the speaker's most current thoughts. This flexibility is invaluable for adapting to unexpected situations or incorporating new information seamlessly. Another key feature is adjustable scrolling speed. Speakers can customize the pace of the text to match their natural speaking rhythm. This control helps maintain a conversational flow and prevents the delivery from sounding rushed or robotic. Beyond the basics, many apps offer advanced features such as teleprompter mirroring. This allows speakers to connect their devices to larger screens, making it easier to maintain eye contact with the audience. Some apps even integrate with video conferencing platforms, making them ideal for webinars and online presentations. The beauty of these apps lies in their versatility. They cater to a wide range of needs, from casual presentations to high-stakes speeches. The impact of teleprompter apps is evident in countless success stories. Entrepreneurs use these apps to deliver captivating pitches to investors, securing funding for their ventures. Educators leverage them to create engaging lectures, making learning more accessible and enjoyable for students. Even seasoned politicians rely on teleprompter apps to deliver impactful speeches that resonate with voters. These apps have democratized the art of public speaking, empowering individuals from all walks of life to share their ideas with clarity and confidence. One compelling case study involves a young entrepreneur who used a teleprompter app to deliver a pitch at a major tech conference. Despite having limited experience in public speaking, she captivated the audience with her clear and concise delivery. The app's adjustable scrolling speed allowed her to maintain a natural pace, while real-time editing enabled her to incorporate feedback from earlier presentations. Her pitch was a resounding success, securing her company a significant investment. This story exemplifies how teleprompter apps can empower individuals to overcome their fear of public speaking and achieve their goals. The evolution of teleprompter apps mirrors the broader trend of technology enhancing human capabilities. As artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated features. Imagine apps that can analyze your speech patterns and provide real-time feedback on your delivery, or even suggest improvements to your content based on audience engagement data. The possibilities are limitless. However, amidst all this technological advancement, it's crucial to remember that technology is a tool. The true power of communication lies in the message itself and the passion with which it is delivered. Teleprompter apps can enhance our delivery, but they cannot replace the hard work of crafting a compelling narrative and connecting with our audience on an emotional level. One of the most remarkable aspects of teleprompter apps is their accessibility. Unlike traditional teleprompters, which were bulky and expensive, these apps are available to anyone with a smartphone or tablet. This widespread availability has democratized the tools of public speaking, putting them within reach of students, entrepreneurs, educators, and anyone who wants to improve their communication skills. Moreover, these apps are incredibly user-friendly. Most of them feature intuitive interfaces that are easy to navigate, even for first-time users. You don't need to be tech-savvy to figure out how to upload your script, adjust the scrolling speed, or change the font size. This ease of use has made teleprompter apps a popular choice for individuals of all ages and technical abilities. While teleprompter apps offer incredible support for public speakers, they are most effective when combined with thorough preparation. Simply relying on the app to read your speech verbatim can lead to a robotic and unengaging delivery. The key is to use the app as a tool to enhance your natural speaking style, not replace it. Before using a teleprompter app, it's crucial to rehearse your speech multiple times. Familiarize yourself with the flow of your content, practice your delivery, and make adjustments as needed. This preparation will allow you to use the app more effectively, focusing on your message and connecting with your audience, rather than simply reading words off a screen. Remember, the most impactful speeches come from the heart, not just from a script. Teleprompter apps can help you deliver your message with confidence and clarity, but the power to move your audience lies within you.